Hi guys, today we will talk about how to add your country on your Pinterest app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how we can do that on your Pinterest app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on save, then it's going to take you to this window or your profile. Then you just go up, you click here on app, and it's going to show for you this window like this. Then you click here on settings, then you come to settings window here in this window, then you just click here on personal information, and it's going to take you to next window, and you click here on country, and here you can add any country you are. uh, so you are in this a lot of country, you chose any country you are, and it's going to save with you. So that's all now. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.